When you're the leader of a nation, you don't just choose a car. The car chooses you. For presidents and monarchs, vehicles are more than transportation. They are symbols of power, mobile fortresses, rolling statements of authority. Some are armored against explosives, some are worth millions, and some are so secret their full capabilities are classified. Today, we're exploring the exclusive cars used by presidents and monarchs around the world. From the Beast in the United States, to royal Rolls-Royces in Britain, to armored limousines built like tanks. Let's step inside the world of power on wheels. Number 1. The U.S. President, Cadillac. No presidential car is more famous than the Beast. Officially known as the Cadillac Presidential State Car, this vehicle is less of a car and more of a military-grade machine. Built on a heavily modified truck chassis, it reportedly features 8-inch thick armor, bulletproof glass, sealed cabin against chemical attacks, night vision systems, and military-grade communication equipment. It weighs as much as a small tank, and yet, from the outside, it looks like a luxury Cadillac limousine. It represents American power, wrapped in steel. Number 2. The British Monarch. When it comes to royal elegance, nothing compares to a Rolls-Royce Phantom 6. Used by the British monarchy for state occasions, these vehicles feature elevated rear seating for visibility, special royal claret paint, and bespoke ceremonial design. More recently, state occasions also feature custom-built Bentleys created exclusively for royal service. These cars aren't about speed. They're about tradition, history, and prestige. When one of these moves through London, it carries centuries of monarchy. Number 3. The Russian President. Russia introduced its own luxury state vehicle, the Aurus Senat. Developed domestically to rival Western luxury brands, the Aurus Senat is fully armored, built for maximum security, and designed with classic limousine proportions. It reflects national independence and power. Unlike other leaders who rely on foreign brands, Russia built its own symbol of authority. Number 4. The Pope. Few vehicles are as recognizable as the Popemobile. Used by the leader of Vatican City, this specially modified vehicle allows visibility while providing protection. Over the years, different versions have been built on Mercedes-Benz platforms or custom armored chassis. The design balances openness and safety, allowing millions to see the Pope during public events. It's not just a car, it's a global religious symbol. Number 5. The Japanese Emperor. Unlike flashy hypercars or bold limousines, Japan's emperor rides in quiet dignity. The Toyota Century Royal is hand-built specifically for the imperial household. It features wool upholstery instead of leather, granite entry steps, advanced armor, and traditional Japanese craftsmanship. It represents humility, culture, and refined luxury. Luxury without excess. Number 6. The Saudi royal family. In the Middle East, power often rides in a Mercedes-Maybach limousine. These vehicles are typically customized with full ballistic armor, reinforced tires, luxury executive rear seating, and advanced privacy systems. They combine royal comfort with serious security. Discreet, powerful, untouchable. Number 7. The French President. France chose something uniquely national. The French president often rides in a specially modified DS7 Elysium, a luxury SUV designed and armored specifically for presidential use. It blends French design elegance with state-level security. A reminder that even in modern politics, image matters. Number 8. The King of Morocco. The Mercedes S600 Pullman Guard is a favorite among heads of state. Extended wheelbase, armored body, Presidential rear seating. It is designed for visibility during ceremonies while maintaining extreme protection. This is where diplomacy meets defense. Why these cars are so special? These vehicles share three key features: protection, often resistant to bullets, explosives, and chemical attacks; prestige, they represent national identity; and exclusivity. Some are not available to the public. Some have features we will never know about, because security details remain classified. When presidents and monarchs travel, they don't simply arrive, they make an entrance. These cars are not just machines, they are moving symbols of authority, of history, of power. From armored American Cadillacs to handcrafted Japanese limousines to royal British Rolls-Royces, each one tells a story about the nation it represents. So tell me, if you were a world leader, what would you choose? A military fortress on wheels? A handcrafted royal limousine? Or something modern and discreet? Comment below and subscribe for more exclusive luxury and power-driven automotive stories. Because when it comes to presidents and monarchs, ordinary is never an option.